Alright guys, it's about 7:45. Heading to Titan Motorsports today to help Matt from Obsessed Garage put on an intake, headers, and exhaust on his Shelby GT350. Should be a fun project. Beautiful day out. A little chilly, but other than that, it's pretty good. So we're gonna head down there. It's probably about a half-hour drive, and we'll see what we can get into. We're here at Titan Motorsports, here to help Matt put the headers and exhausts on his GT350. Heading in right now. A lot of cool cars here. Couple of cool Supras. I like those HRE wheels. Alright, we got all the, these were all T30 Torques in the front here. All those pulled. They got, those are all pulled, and these are all the other little tray holes are 7mm. I'm just finishing up those now, and the tray should come right out. I don't know how. Titan, pulling the exhaust. Matt's taking the wrong bolts off.
Oh, fuck. No, I don't think you can get to that.
The new headers we're putting in. All right, we got all the. Now we're gonna go down in the motor. We got that's the new gasket on. We got the header off this side. We got what, one bolt left on this side to get the header off. One bolt. Here's the new unit. It's going on now. And there's the passenger side. These are a little different. The layout of where these are is a little different than the factory ones. The factory ones are like this, and they have, but the block is pre-drilled here and here with additional screws. So, and it comes with these extra bolts, so that's what we're using for there. Yeah, you don't want to finish it all up and have it be leaking.
Is that the one on the stud?
No, it's the one next to it. I'm pretty sure the one on the stud's tight.
Well, one of them is loose. I can tell you that.
If you have the 14, that's the second one there.
Yeah.
All right, we're all finished up. Like 10 hours, full headers, full exhaust. Hopefully it sounds good. Did the cat extenders. Pipes look pretty centered in there. Guys at Titan stayed late. Let us finish, help us out a bit. Oh, Matt, did you put the frame spacer back in?
Yeah.
Still on the lift arms too.
Oh yeah.
Keep trying to drive out.
All the way to the back.
Yeah. Swing it in the other way.
Yeah, push it all the way in, Matt.
Yeah.
I do the same thing.
There you go.
Other cool cars in here.
So what I would do is when you take the hard pipe off, you have the IET convert it to the hard pipe. No, it's already in.
That's just the headers getting hot real quick?
Yeah.
That sounds quieter than it was before, doesn't it? Yeah.
Way quieter on the idling.
That's probably cold, right?
Yeah.
Do whatever you
I
want
want
to
it
do.
to be, the key for me, I want it to be more organized. And already, I can already tell. Like, I don't like raspy, like, there's like a, with the factory exhaust, there's like crack.
It's not engine oil. It's just a new exhaust oil. Yeah, from manufacturing.
Yeah, we had a little PD blaster in there too.
Yeah, that's it.
Pull it out so you don't die in here.
It's not engine oil.
And they cram the airlifts in here, don't they?
Vibrating.
What an awesome day. Look at that sunset.
Where are we going to eat?
I don't know what you want. I don't even know what's over here.
I don't either. I'm freaking starved.
It is smoking pretty
Yeah, but we didn't do anything engine-wise to make the engine smoke.
good. Probably just that assembly stuff to burn on, but it's wild.
It's idling. Idling fine.
Pop the hood just to make sure you see how it sounds, see if we're not leaking anywhere.
That's fine. Want to pop the hood?
Pop the hood, man. Not seeing any smoke. Smoke? No.
Sometimes 1 or 2 days and then it's gone.
It's almost gone now.
Yeah.
How is that thing, Matt?
I don't know. I don't know what to freaking do with it.
Checking for leaks with that?
Yeah.
Will you see it if it's leaking?
You could sometimes, yeah.
That's pretty healthy. You go all the way across? Like,
Yeah, just a big straight cut, straight bullet there. Traffic.
it's classy when you got paper sticking out of your AC vents, they don't rattle. You can't even tell a car's on from air. What do you think?
You have a big face.
Alright, following Matt. We're on our way to get Chipotle or something. I don't know where he's going. It's Ruby Tuesdays. I don't know where he's going. But I got the GoPro on. I'm hoping you can hear some sound out of the exhaust we just did. It sounds pretty good.